Oh, hi. Connoisseur here, coming at you with another Connoisseur review. Today I'm going to be looking at a new limited batch Fijian, sorry for the terrible pronunciation there, Fijian premium ground root. This is a limited batch from Root of Happiness. And I've just been really digging their kava since I first tried it about a month and a half ago. Obviously, the fresh kava was just unbelievable, but I've been really blown away by their offerings overall. The Samoan kava, the Vanuatu kava, their instant kava is fantastic. I've tried the orange, the lemon kava extract. It was just bursting with kava lactones. Just a great thing to kind of dab at night before you kind of settle into bed, maybe watch half a TV show before you pass out. Yeah, so this is the final Root of Happiness kava offering that I'm going to review for now. I'm going to buy some more Root of Happiness product shortly. I really want to try their Solomon kava. Some of you might know I did work in the Solomon Islands for a while, so I always have a soft spot for the Solomon Islands kava. Even though it's not that big of a thing down there, it's still cool to get kava from the Solomon Islands. So today I'm going to be looking at this Fijian limited batch. And according to Root of Happiness, it says here, our limited batch kava is an ultra premium root, lab tested for authenticity and superiority in quality and purity. Fijian kavas are known as the social kavas, indeed. With their lighter taste and social promoting effects, you can drink these kavas into the wee hours of the morning, as they do in Fiji. All right, yeah, sounds good, huh? And as always, great thing about Root of Happiness is they actually give you a batch number and an expiration date. I think they're the only vendor that does that, which is really cool. And I know of their facilities that they test all of their kava for contamination, and they test it to make sure that it is what it says it is. That if it says it's noble, etc., etc. So I think of all the vendors out there, they're doing probably the best job in quality control. I've actually heard that they have the best facilities for processing kava and storing kava. And just overall, I'm surprised that I heard about them so late in the game. You know, I've drinking kava for a long time now, almost 20 years. And I just tried Root of Happiness for the first time a month and a half ago. So go figure. I mean, it just goes to show that, you got to open your mind and you got to go out there and try all the different kinds of kava. You know, Kava R Us is another one that I hadn't tried until recently, and then when I tried it, I was just like, wow, I've been really been missing out. So, with all that being said, limited batch Fijian premium ground root kava. I'm going to open this guy up, and I'm going to mix up a batch and let you know how it goes. But first, let me. Oh, it smells great. It smells wonderful. Well, it smells very piney for a Fijian, but we're ready to rock and roll, fellas. All right. Bula. All right, so I've mixed up this awesome smelling, peppery smelling limited batch Fijian kava from Root of Happiness. It smells like it's going to be really strong stuff, so all right, let's see what happens here. Woo! I brewed it nice and really thick. It's really thick. Looks like chocolate milk. Mbula. Strong taste, very strong flavor, piney, bright palate. It tastes like it's going to be really strong. So I made a lot. I put about a cup of kava in there. I used the alu ball with really hot water, heated water, and I shook it, the double alu ball, for about 5 minutes. Then I dumped the kava into a bowl here and emptied the kava from the alu balls into a strainer, added about another 3/4 of a cup or half a cup of kava, and then kneaded for a good 10 to 12 minutes until I got this really thick consistency. My hands were like tingling from the kava. I could feel the kava lactans in my skin. That's how strong this stuff is. So, woo! Oh, doctor! All right, I'm gonna get back to you guys shortly. Holy shit! All right. Woo! All right. So this stuff is so relaxing. At first, I thought it was gonna be like really energetic and kind of get me really kind of sparked up and jazzed up, but it's so sedating. It's very Fijian. It has like a super nice mellow Fijian vibe to it, which it is. It's a Fijian kava bula. So wholeheartedly recommend this. I mean, it's limited batch Fijian premium ground kava root. Has a deceptively Vanuatuan kind of flavor profile. Really peppery and strong, but it really it really kind of embeds you in the ground. It kind of makes you feel rooted. You feel, I mean, you just get so shell-faced, but in a really good way, in a really calming way. It's really heady, really strong behind the eyes. Very nice kava. There's so much good kava out there, people. You know, broaden your horizons. All right. Much love from the kava sewer. Can't really envision myself stringing together too many more sentences before I get couch locked here. Kava sewer out.